Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautifullove4ever, aka Tay. Thanks for joining me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already did my eyebrows. And now to prime my eyes, I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with the AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm using Juvia's Place, the Zulu palette, and I'm just going to take that brown shade and put that in my crease as well as all over my lids. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment, because I would love to hear from you all. Now I'm using the Covergirl Get In Line liquid eyeliner in black vinyl. For lashes, I'm using the Ioni Wispy Red Carpet Star Lashes and the House of Lashes Eyelash Glue. To make sure there's no gap showing while I put my lashes, I'm going to use the Sephora eye pencil, and I'm also going to use the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara. Moving on to my face, I'm using the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. For my face primer, I'm going to use the NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Orange Camo Color Corrector. For foundation, I'm going to use the Uma by Sharon C Skin Perfecting Foundation in Bronze Venus T5. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. And I'm just putting this the same places where I put the orange corrector at. To highlight, I'm using the Ultra Beauty Full Coverage Concealer in medium warm, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Beauty Babe bronzer in Chesnut, and I'm going to use that to contour my nose as well as bronze other parts of my face. Now I'm going to use the ABA setting powder in Deep Peach again and just use it to set where I had that concealer at, and also to do reverse contouring. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation, the shade 440. Next, I'm using the orange shade out of the Juvia's Place Saharian Blush Volume 1 palette, and I'm also going to use a highlighter out of there as well to highlight. Now I'm just taking that brown shade that I use on my eyes and putting it along my lash line. For lips, I'm using the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie and the Ruby Kisses Velvet Matte Lip Cream and Cream Blush. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this one eyeshadow look. This is a look that is quick and easy to do, and you can use it for everyday, wear, for everyday looks, or for whatever occasion. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, and also comment, because I would love to hear from you all. If you have any suggestions for makeup looks, please let me know so that I can do them. Everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as on my social media handles. And thank you all for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I will see you all in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.